Today is your day to break through, to step up and take control, not tomorrow, not when you feel like it, but today. Because every second you wait, every moment you hesitate is a second you let the world decide for you. But this world, it's yours to shape. You've been through things you thought you'd never get through, challenges that nearly broke you. But guess what? You're here, standing. Those obstacles, they weren't here to defeat you. They were here to make you stronger, tougher, smarter, and more resilient. Every scar, every bruise, every tough day has brought you closer to the person you're meant to become. You have a choice, right here, right now. Do you keep going the way you've always gone, letting circumstances decide your life? Or do you take control? Because if you want to make a change, you can't sit back and wait. You have to demand more of yourself than you ever thought possible. It's not about wanting it. Everyone wants success, happiness, and fulfillment. But the difference? The difference is who's willing to put in the work, who's willing to get up when they fall, who's willing to push through the pain, the setbacks, the fear. So here's the challenge for you. What are you willing to do? Will you commit to that dream, that goal, that vision, even when it seems like the whole world is against you? Will you fight through the doubts, the setbacks, and keep moving forward? If you're waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, it doesn't exist. All that exists is right now, this moment, this decision. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. With it, you can either create the life of your dreams or sabotage it with doubts and excuses. So train it. Train it to see opportunity where others see obstacles. Train it to push forward when others give up. Tell yourself, I am unstoppable. I am resilient. I am relentless. Because you are. You just have to believe it, and you don't need anyone else's permission to live the life you're meant to live. The only person who can stop you is you. Now go out there and do what you need to do. Chase that dream with everything you have. It won't be easy and it won't be comfortable, but it will be worth it. Every moment, every step forward, every challenge overcome, that's what will define you. Remember, greatness doesn't come from comfort zones. It's forged in the fire of hard work, persistence, and an unstoppable will. So rise up, dig deep, and conquer this day, this life, your life. This is your time. This is your moment. Now make it count.